I ate leaves for a day, all vegan and gluten free. Well, not literally, but I started my day with these pretty coriander and mint leaves, crushed both of those, and added some sattu powder, which is ground chana powder, and just made a sattu sharbat with some spices and poured it on top of ice. Had it with fruit for breakfast. Then, for lunch, I took some cabbage leaves, and for a filling, I mixed up mushrooms, carrots, tofu, added that to my cabbage leaves and just made little cabbage parcels or packets out of it, had it with soy sauce. For dinner, just took some spinach leaves, blanched those, and added those to silken tofu with some garlic and pepper to make burani espinach, which is a very popular Middle Eastern dip alongside like hummus, had it with bajra ka bhakri and cucumbers.